What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we gotta get a little repair done on meat, so I'm finna pull it out. I have not drove or crunked this car, but moved it since the last track trip on the 24, 2-3 weeks, something like that. It just happened like that, man. They be sitting. So I'm finna move brown coat back. I've been driving brown coat a lot. I ain't filmed it. I gave y'all a video, but I was in the truck yesterday, man. I've been driving a lot. Said drive it daily. If I had to go somewhere, hop in brown coat, man, so I can put some miles on it. But I'm finna get wifey. Wifey gonna move back so I can get meats out. Then we're gonna put brown coat up. Still clean. We're gonna push brown coat up. I'm gonna get meats out, cause meats finna be ready for repairs. Well, I gotta get some touch-up done on the paint, man. But that's why I said I don't like taking the boy. I be on high alert taking the truck out. Cause y'all gonna see a track trip soon with the truck, man. It been well over a year since I took it. You ready to move? Yeah. Or you still against the? I'm ready. Yeah. I'm gonna let her move this. Then I can hop in meats, man. And we gotta go to Lawless. You can go ahead. We gotta go to Lawless and y'all make sure you subscribe to my wife's channel too, man. The New People Days with Kendra. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe. But yeah, say I gotta get the hangers welded up, man. The hangers were hanging the last time I went to the track. One on was broke, then the other one ended up breaking. So they hanging, but they ain't on the ground. So we gotta get that fit. You ain't got no power. You gotta keep. Oh, there it is. You gotta pump the gas. It's cold. It's over here. It's cold. It was 40-something degrees. It was 30-something degrees this morning, y'all. Then I'm gonna hop in meat. Get meat out, let her pull it back up. Why she gonna be struggling with that shifter, boy? It's just hard to come out of on reverse. Gonna really see if she gonna get it. You know it sound good, boy. Brown coat be talking. Oh, I just can't get it. I knew it. I told you. Pull it back. Pull it back. It's just hard. Pull it back. Yeah. It's just like the shifter in the cutlet. Oh, we'll get it. There you go. Just get over there. I'm gonna move big meat, y'all. While she move that. So just give me some space so I can back up. I'm gonna back down there. You can pull back right here. Let's see. Y'all, that cold start on meat. I ain't crump meat up. Bad throwing y'all there, well. Get in. So look at that. Y'all hear that door time still work on meat? Real street car activities. Let's see. Gosh, done went down the highway. I love them crickets, boy. Crickets be talking, man. Crickets be talking. Let me bag on meat up, man, so we can get this thing out of here. Wife can pull up. head on over to Lawless. All right, we got brown coat move put up. So got meat out. Gonna run over here right quick. Let me show y'all what we got. Oh, my leg, boy. So look, let me see. So look, see my exhaust, both of the hangers, both of them broke. At first it was just the driver's side. We noted that before we left. By the time I got done, that one broke too, man. It done weld on hangers and stuff. So go over there and fix it right quick. Oh, just said I can bring it, man. I went by there yesterday, but he would have did it yesterday, man. He was like, if you needed it. I said, nah, man, you ain't got to. I just letting you know, getting your heads up. So that's another reason I ain't drove it either, cause I ain't want to drive with a hanger like that. But I'm gonna ease it. I'm gonna take it easy all the way over there. This joke here just that gas, man. Whew, that gas. But I ain't finna put this thing on the trailer and stuff. I'm just gonna gas it up, take the trip, you know, get it done, man. Get it done. I like for them to do them fasteners, but they ain't gonna have time to do that. Probably. They won't have time to be doing that. I'll be pushing it, cause I got other stuff going on today too. But I need them Zeus fasteners right here. It really can be peaked up too. I need them Zeus fasteners right here. We're gonna put some right here. And I might put some right here too. So yeah. But I don't know, man. We're gonna get it straight. But right now I'm finna get over there. Task at hand to get the what's the name? Pick the hangers. So let's do it. Alright, y'all, we're checking in. So I just got finna holler at my boy Jesse, man. And he got down here and looked at it. And what happened is, so y'all, it broke. Man, it broke up there. It broke the mount basically. So you got the rubber mount, then the bar slides through, and then you got a square up there. You can use bolts or whatever, you can weld it. And the square piece broke, man. The square piece gone, like it ain't even up there. I ain't realized. So couldn't get it fit anyway. And then this side, I don't know if y'all remember when it was on Dolo, the turn down that come off the mufflers, it broke the pipe. It's just the pipe old, so it need a new turn down welded right there. So it broke a hole in the actual pipe, but after the muffler, that's why it don't sound no different. So either way, man, I'm gonna have to cut that off, have a turn down done. But what we gonna do, he already gave me a price on. I'm finna go ahead and do the aluminum exhaust on here, cause that was going on here anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and order the aluminum exhaust, the aluminum mufflers, get it done instead of pat. I'm gonna fix this when we take it off. I'm gonna go ahead and fix it, cause I know somebody gonna want the exhaust kit, exhaust system. So I'm gonna fix the turn down right there, then it'll be good. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the aluminum exhaust done on meats, man, cause that's a part of completing it too. I got the rear end, double adjustable uppers and lowers. We got the front rotors, like I said, just for stylish purposes and all. Then we were talking about the Zeus fasteners. So Jess and them, they're gonna go ahead and do the Zeus fasteners. Make me a rail to connect right here, and that'll lift this up too. Then we'll put the fasteners right here, so it'll stop the hood from trying to travel and come off. Well, not trying to come off, I mean, I'm exaggerating, but it'll stop the hood from traveling coming up, man. And then we had aluminum exhaust, man. That's the last big expensive piece I gotta really buy for this car. Drivetrain wide, man. It'll be, then I can really see what they're gonna do, basically. So they head back to the house. I gotta roll this clip, man. Show y'all too. I finally gave DJ his present, man. So we gotta get into that too. But we finna get up out of here, eat back. So y'all stay tuned. All right, I'm back from Lawless, man. Oh, cover, boy, they win. Kick double cover up. But I'm back from Lawless, man. Said the plan today was to get the hangers fixed, but we found out we had other stuff going on. But it's all good. It's all good. But look, the other day I finally caught DJ, man. I finally caught him. I was intending to put it in this vlog and stuff, which is what I'm gonna do. But I was gonna make it a vlog by itself. But I ain't do too much today, but I did go see him. And I want to throw that in there, man, so y'all can see his reaction. I finally get in. Y'all can see what I got him. Y'all can see what I got him, man. What I drove today, I can't remember what I was in. I was in the truck, man. It was super cold that day too. So man, first, man, I wanna say a huge shout out to DJ, man. Showtime Transmission Rebuild. They're my brother, man. I love him. He done helped me out a lot. He done helped me out a lot, man. Like all the way around. I ain't never ashamed to tell when somebody helped me, man. I ain't set up like that. I ain't no shame in my game, no pride. So I'm finna roll that clip, man, so y'all can see a reaction. Y'all check it out now. All right, y'all. I finally caught this joker, man. We probably got the music going in here. Y'all see where we at? Showtime Transmission Rebuild. Ooh. Look at it, man. I finally caught this man.
Hey, man, been working, man.
This man, the uncatchable man.
Working, man.
Hey, yeah, big boy.
Yeah, that's my LS swap car.
Yeah, I say he got a big. This man, he doing everything now, y'all. LS swap, everything y'all can think of, man. He doing it. Him and Jose. Everything.
Man, we trying to get it done. That's why I don't answer the phone like I used to.
Yeah, he making it happen.
Working, man. I had to get it done with so many hours because I got to get to the house.
Right. Most definitely.
So when you reach me, time is very valuable. So,
yeah, you can't be down here all day now.
Nah, I can't be on the phone all day. I throw you a couple things out there, then I gotta go.
Yeah, he got work to do, man. He been grinding.
What you doing, man?
Man, I've been trying to get that to you, man. I done had the thing since before Christmas.
I see you video last night. I said, damn, I feel bad. Jay been trying to catch me. I will never be here.
Hey, man, we playing tag, boy. I can't catch it, man. Yeah, man, you got to see what you got, man. See what you got.
I don't usually get too many gifts, so let's see what we got here.
Yeah, man. See what you got, man. See what it is, y'all. Been trying to catch up with him for a long. Yeah, look.
Okay.
That's that thing I tell you about. The DJI gimbal, man. That's the top. That's the top gimbal. Like, ain't nothing better. Ain't nothing better, man. I appreciate you, brother, man. You always doing stuff for me and everything. I want to get you that, man. I want to get my boy a good one. A good one, cause he on that content too now.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna use it right here, man. I'm gonna do some kind of special with this one, man. It's gonna be me and my son with this.
Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up.
I'm gonna let him do the filming. Cause he always trying to get in the spot. Right?
Yeah. That is true. That is true.
I'm gonna do a lot of the filming, man. And I'm gonna open up another page. Me and Jay been talking about it.
Yep.
And I'm gonna open up another page, show y'all a lot of stuff that I can do, man, before it. Like behind the scenes without the transmission.
Right.
More involved, but not. It's gonna be more of my own projects and a couple customer cars.
Yep.
Like I said, transmissions ain't the only thing I do.
Nah, he do everything.
It was just a trade I picked up along the way. But I'm gonna show y'all my project. Man, I got one project for hit the street. I promise you.
Yeah, y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna love that.
When I open that page up, Jay gonna be the first person to know, so he can send my link out for me, because I don't be on all that stuff like that, man. But
most definitely.
I'm gonna let him do it. And hey, I'm telling y'all gonna love that content, man. Cause I'm gonna put y'all on a lot of stuff.
Yes, indeed, man. So you look, y'all stay tuned, man. It coming. Y'all know soon we get it. The link gonna drop, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. We finally got DJ caught up with him.
Finally, man.
And
I appreciate it, bro.
Nah, I appreciate you, bro, for real, man. I really do. So yeah, man, I'm gonna turn y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all made it back from we finally got with DJ. Finally got the gift. I'm glad he got that. I stopped by A-Rod Performance, man, and I had already called and told him about my mishap, as I said earlier. But he already had me ready, man. I got to shout out to Gene, man. Much love to Gene. That's the owner. He told me don't even worry about it, cause I was prepared. Like I do the right thing. I was prepared to eat the cost of the E112 since I had opened it. Even though I took out a little splash, I was prepared to eat that cost and like I said, pay the difference. Cause I think E112 is higher than Pro 112. I was gonna pay the difference on that one. Give him some more money on the 112, the E112, and then buy me a fresh pail of this right here. So that what I had in my mind that was gonna happen when I got there. But Gene, man, being the good guy he is, said, Don't worry about it, Jay. You good? He already had me sitting right there by the door. And yeah, we good, man. I really appreciate it. As I said, man, you have good you can be a good customer and a good business, man. That look out for you. You'll be a good customer stuff. So I really appreciate that, man. I was looking to come out my pocket today, but I ain't have to. So now we good. Now we got the right thing now. Pro 112. So yeah. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So checking in. Y'all saw that clip, man. I'm glad I finally got to give my boy DJ his gift, man, and all of that. Then I done forgot to close the video out, so I had to come the next day, man. Like, oh boy, I be having a lot going on, man. But like I said with Meech, the whole point of this vlog was to get the exhaust fit, but then, like I said, discovered that we gotta do other stuff. So I already done paid for aluminum exhaust, man. I already got just skinned down with Jesse and stuff, so we got that on the way working. So Meech was gonna have to have it anyway. Meech was gonna get it anyway, so I like might as well go ahead and get it at the final piece. Seriously, at the final piece, cause I got the rear end. I have the double adjustable uppers and lowers. We already got the shocks on, the coilovers and stuff, valves and everything like it's supposed to. Anti-roll bar. We got the drive shaft loop now. And I got the aluminum exhaust coming now. And it's bigger. It's bigger. Cause that my setup really need a 3.5 inch exhaust. I got a 3-inch on it right now. So I got 3.5 inch aluminum exhaust. Aluminum mufflers, same exhaust setup at Dolo, but bigger. So we got that on the way, man. Hopefully it shouldn't be long, man. It shouldn't be long. So when the rain come, then we're gonna send Meech down there. I'm gonna get everything done. But if the rain keep taking too long and the exhaust come back first, Meech will go down there, get the exhaust done, dry shaft loop, and get the Zeus fasteners put on the hood. And then when the rear end come, all we gotta do is the rear end and the brakes. That's it. And it'll be done, ready to go. And I can let it eat on the nitro, man. I can run it, like really run it and pour it to it. So that's the plan, man. That's the plan. That's what we're gonna do. I still ain't heard nothing on the rear end, quick performance. But for right now, I'm just gonna let it chill since the exhaust hanging, man, vibration and driving and it going up and down. I don't want to rip off a bend or none of that stuff. So I'm gonna let the car sit. Let the car sit, man, until the exhaust, at least until the aluminum exhaust get back. Jesse say, hey, everything in, we ready to roll, then I go ahead and do it. So then I can at least start back driving the car versus waiting on the rear end. You see what I'm saying? And then I go ahead and get the exhaust done. I just, for the time being, if I take the car to track, I run it on the 24 just to have some fun. Even though it ain't set up for that, I run on the 24 until I get that big rear end back there and I can spray it. Cause at this point, I don't need to run on motor no more. Well, I really do need to run on motor cause I need to do a tram brake. But I already know what they're gonna do on tram brake too. I really ain't got to run it on motor no more. I know what it'll run out the back door on motor. So, cause I ain't ran out the back door on motor, but I know what it will run out the back door on motor. So I'm really ready to spray it. I'm ready to spray it, man, cause I know what they're gonna do. I know what they're gonna do, and I'm ready for it, man. So we gonna stay. So y'all might not, well, y'all probably won't see Meech until the exhaust come in and the mufflers and all that. Y'all know it still gotta be made. The muffler gotta be custom made. So y'all ain't gonna see Meech until I get that done. But we got something to do with Dolo. We got something to do with Dolo on them 60, man. I got something to do, boy. I got something to do. It's gonna be showtime at the Apollo. Showtime at the Apollo, man. But yeah, man, they're gonna wrap it up, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.